In November 2022, it was reported that Bisleri International will sell its majority stake to Tata Consumer Products in a deal worth 6,000 to 7,000 crore rupees. The deal was expected to be completed in 7 to 8 months. The deal, however, fell off the table. A few days ago, both companies said they have ceased all talks regarding the buyout. Had it gone through, Tata Consumer Products would have become the largest FMCG company in India, beating the giant Hindustan Unilever. The packaged water business, Bisleri, is expected to clock in a profit of Rs 200 crore in FY23. However, with the deal with Tata out of the window, what's next for Bisleri?
I think Bisleri could obviously run as a professional organization and a company. There will obviously be other contenders potentially in future. Possibly even now the other FMCG players are in discussion for all you and I know, right? So from that perspective, I don't think there is any issue with the future of Bisleri.
Ramesh Chauhan, the veteran industrialist, and his brothers acquired Bisleri in the 1960s. Since then, the business has evolved and branched out. One of the Bisleri brands is Vedika, which is headed by Jayanti Chauhan, the daughter of Ramesh Chauhan. After the Tata deal did not go through, it was speculated that Jayanti will be the heiress. Reports quoting Ramesh Chauhan seem to confirm. However, Jayanti Chauhan later denied this in a post on LinkedIn. The post has been removed since. So, what is next for Bisleri's leadership?
Hopefully, the promoter has recognized, even in this case of Bisleri, that there is need for a robust senior management team which will be the trustees and take the company forward, irrespective of whether anybody from the promoter family is interested in running the company or not. That is the duty and responsibility of any promoter to think of the legacy of the company beyond their own life.
See, I think one thing we should always appreciate when it comes to family businesses, that family businesses cannot be infinite. Like any other thing, I mean, they will survive one generation, maybe survive 2 generations. And the fundamental answer to this question is you cannot take an unwilling horse to the water. So if the next generation is not interested in running the business, patch-up solutions can only go so far and no more.
The Chauhan family is known to be a creator of brands. The name Parle is associated with the entire family. Well-known brands like Parle-G, Fruity, Appy Fizz, Bisleri and Vedika belong to the Parle group. The brand Bisleri would have been with the Tata group had the deal concluded. Now, what is the way forward for brand Bisleri?
I am surprised the deal with the Tatas didn't go through, because I think it's a fundamentally very strong, very well-respected and a very well-entrenched brand in its own category, right? It's a very strong brand and a strong candidate for acquisition by any large company at any point of time, right? Now, what happens to the brand as you go forward? I think with a good, strong management in place, with or without the family being fully involved, a brand like this can continue to cruise along for many, many years without much issues.
Experts believe family-owned businesses cannot always remain in the family for generations. This is especially true for the ones that become huge and deal in multiple brands. Bisleri commands a strong brand and has stood the test of time. But how its governance evolves in the coming year remains to be seen.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.